Hello guys, this is Sam Z Architectural Design. You're welcome once again to my channel. And this video we are going to generate grid lines. When I say grid lines, they are part of our detailing, which helps in field work when they are trying to get their trenches, their foundation trenches or position of columns. So we are going to generate it to make it easier and then the fastest way when you are doing your detailing. Sometimes people use manual work, it keeps time. We use creating bubbles, creating text, adding lines, trimming. It's a whole lot. So today we are going to just generate it, then add our text and then our bubble straight for it, which is very simple. So if you are new here, I'm urging that you hit the subscribing button, the notification button. If you have anything also, you can also hit the notification button. I'm online 24/7. I'll come so that we share ideas. So guys, without wasting my time, I'll go for it. Then start something. Okay. Okay. So what you have to do now is you are going to make good use of this line, this choose back. I'm using commands. So you just press XL, enter. H means horizontal. Then you snap one of the centers here. You snap here, you escape, then you select this one, you copy it, CP, then you press enter. You copy it from down. So you're going to place a grid line here, another grid line which is going to position here. You also have to position another grid line here. You also have to position another one here, position one here, and then also position one here, and then another one here. Boom. Then we go straight forward from here. We also add another one here from center to center. So yeah, so I think you have to place another one here in the middle of the column, so just like that. I think we are done with the horizontal ones. So we are going to do with the verticals. So you press XL, enter, V, enter. So just snap the center of it. If you are not getting the center of any of them, what you have to do is you escape, you press L, enter, then you place some line here so that you can snap the center of this wall. You get 75 out of the 150 thickness of the wall. So you press XL, enter again, then V, enter. So therefore you can snap the center here. You click there, you escape, delete that one, select this one, then you copy, CP, enter. Then you have to create, you will need a grid line here, you will need another grid line here, you will also need another grid line here, and then I think this one need another grid line here. You need a grid line here, and then also another grid line here, another grid line here. So as you're doing, wherever you is necessary to add a grid line, you do so. Then after you add everything, what you have to do is you press REC, enter. That's rectangular. So you stand outside somewhere like this, click, then you drag it over, you click it, then you select the rectangle, you press EXTRIM, that's extreme, press enter, You click outside, see it trims easily, very fast, without, instead of trimming it one, just trim everything off once. You delete this one, you select all of them again, all the lines. So I think we will need our browser, so I just put, so I have to change it from design. So now we have to select all our lines again, and select all our lines. Then we go to um, in our two palettes design. You see what's called grids. Column grids. You right click, you go to apply properties to column grid. You have layout grid 2D, the line work. We are using lines. What we did here is lines, as you can see. So what you're going to do, you click on the lines, then you come to the down here, you see a custom column grid add, enter label extension, no labels, and then the extension is going to be 1200, and we want it that way, so we hit enter. And then the next question is erase selected lines. Yes, we don't need these lines again, so we just hit yes, and then it generates our grid lines very nicely for us. As you can see, we have very nice grid lines, but just that it's not labeled, and it's easy to label it. You just select it, select this one, then in the tool panel you go to add edit labels, then you select it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 8 9, then you hit enter, you press caps A, enter. You see it has been labeled very nicely, so the next thing is you also add another one here, 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So you hit enter again, press 1, enter. See, it has been labeled very nicely. Then what you have to do is just add your detailing to it. Have a very nice grid lines. If you are new here, I'm urging you hit the subscribing button, notification button. Then you have anything to, you can also comment so that we share ideas together. Once again, I'm Sam Z Architect. I'm Sam Zidma, and this is Sam Z Architectural Design. We teach all kind of architectural designs. We are on a project, a 3D bedroom house that we just started. So if you want to learn more using Autodesk Revit 2021, you can also come in and then also learn more. I have the link in the description. You can hit there and then also go and learn something. Thank you very much for watching.